Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laurel, the artsy accountant. Today I have a really fun, exciting Target haul for you guys. It's Valentine's Day haul and decorate with me. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys, so let's get into it. So first I got two oversized pillows in just a basic pattern. I like that they're textured. It's kind of like a burlap type fabric with a really, simple stripe pattern. So like I say, two of these guys. I got two regular sized pillows with this cute snowflake pattern. These were on sale because these are technically Christmas pillows, but I thought they would be so perfect. I mean, they're red and they're pink. I think these tassels are so adorable, and I think this pattern is so pretty. I love the center here. I love like this material. I think it is so gorgeous. So I'll show you together two of these. I love these. So the next thing I want to show you together. So I got these really cute heart placemats, and I got a matching pillow to go with it. So I got this pillow, which is really nice. I have to give it the karate chop. So I got this one. It also has like kind of little tassels on the corners. They're like really tiny, but that's okay. That's cute. And then it has a really nice texture to it. And the pattern is like a really soft pink. And then I especially just love that these match. So these will go on my table. My table is right next to my living room, so everything is gonna kind of coordinate and go together really nicely. So super excited about that. And the last item that I got for my couch, I got a throw blanket. Wow, this is so cute. I love the red. And I also want to show off these cute pom-poms. And I'm loving pom-poms and tassels right now, so could not resist that. I'll try to show off this whole thing if I can. It's a pretty big blanket, so I'll probably keep it kind of folded in half and put it over my ottoman. So that is gonna look so cute. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the decorating.